Passing null directly to console writeLine causes a compilation error due to ambiguous method overloads. However, explicitly casting null to string can resolve this issue. If null is cast to string, it prints an empty line. When printing an identifier with a null value, console.writeLine does not cause an error because the compiler resolves the overload based on the identifier's type. If the identifier is null, console writeLine prints an empty line.